That just launched, and we're gonna see if we could catch this for you. This is live. This is one for the record. Here we go. Should be seeing it any second. NASA from Cape Kennedy has just launched. Let's see if we see anything. We're waiting. It should come up between the trees.
There it is, right there.
Where?
Right there.
To the left?
Right there, honey. I can see it.
I don't see it.
Right there.
There it is. Wow. It's not picking it up on my fucked up camera. There it is. It's beautiful. Wow. There it is. See it going? Let's see if we can zoom in. The colors. There it is. Yeah. Samsung Android. Yep. Look at this. Hardly any color. Naked eye looks better. There's the launch. Look at it. It's self-adjusting. What a crappy camera. Yes, we're filming off a Samsung Android. The colors are not in the cloud. It's terrible. It doesn't stay focused. Look at this thing. Where's it going? Looks like it's going back down. Uh-oh. This thing don't look like it's going up. It's curving down. As long as it's not curving by me, we're okay.
It looks like it's coming back down.
It looks like it's coming back down. That don't look good. We might have to run back in the house, take cover. Oh, it's coming down. We're going down. We going down? What is that? That doesn't look good. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
It's not going up.
No, it's going down. Maybe we should go back in the house.
Honey, it's going down.
It's going down. Get back in the house. What the hell? It's going down. Get out of the way. Film it. Holy shit, it's going down.
Go on the live thing again.
Oh, no, I don't want to know.
It is going down.
It's going down.
Hey, put it on the live thing.
No, we're filming live here. Maybe we'll see a big explosion.
Honey, you ain't going to see no explosion.
Yeah, you will.
Now you can't even see it. Now it's going down, though.
Yeah, it's going down over a neighborhood.
No, it ain't. It's over the ocean.
No, it's
It's always
curving back
over
down.
the ocean.
No, yeah, but it came back down. Oh, yeah, that's going down. Okay, you saw it live. One for the record. Atlas 5, I think it went boom boom.
It didn't go boom boom yet.
It's gonna.